Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on conditional split in SSIS. So how to use conditional split and what is the condition. So conditional split is one of the transformations in data flow. It uses to split the data from a input source into the multiple outputs as per the given condition. So basically, conditional split is one input and many outputs. These many outputs, we can get the many outputs as per the condition. So we can use the if and if else and case statements in SQL while running the while executing the queries as per the logic. The same way we can use the conditional split as per the condition. But here we write the conditions in expressions in SSIS. So without wasting time, let's jump into the demo. So this is my cricket table. Here there are 30 rows are there, and the name, country, rating of the player, and format. So I am planning to implement my conditional split on format. In format there are actually uh, three formats are there: ODI, T20, and test. So based on these formats, I have to generate the three reports and loaded the data into three different tables. So these are the tables I have: ODI cricket, T20 cricket, and test cricket. So I want to load this data as per the condition that I am going to be write in expressions. All ODI format data will load into the ODI cricket table. All T20 format data loaded into respective table, and test format data into the test cricket table. So without this is my new package SSDT 2019 version. So first I am dragging here is data flow task. In data flow task, my input source is Excel. So I want to drag the to configure browse cricket. Okay, and I'm selecting the table. I have only one sheet, columns are okay. So configuration is done. Now I want to drag the conditional split transformation. So conditional transformation. Here I am writing the condition. So first condition here is I am taking the test cricket. Test cricket. If format is equal to test, if format is equal to test, so all test cricket data will segregated it as one output. So my second condition is ODI cricket. So I am writing the expression here. Format is equal to ODI. And my third condition already it's what default is. So other than test and ODI is nothing but T20. So all third rest of the records will dump into the this output. So we need not write specifically for the third output. If there are four formats, then we use to write the third output, and fourth format will go to the default conditional default output. So I wrote the two formats here, and default it will take the T20 format. So okay, now to load this data into three tables, I use to take the OLDB destination as three times. So first one, second one, and this is the third one. Now I am dragging this one as bold destination. It immediately asking for the uh, output. So I am using as a test output. So I am naming as a test configure and take the my admin is server name, and cricket is my database. So I made take the table as test cricket. See here, last test cricket mappings. Yeah, we used to map here rank. Rank is rank, and this one format in input it is format in database tables it's a cricket format. So I just mapping the format to cricket format and okay. It is showing some error. Name cannot convert between Unicode and non-Unicode. So it is a Excel source. So my database schema is in varchar type. See here varchar. So I need to change the. I need to include the another transformation that is nothing but data conversion. So before conditional split, I am taking the one more data transformation that is data conversion and connecting the source to data conversion. Double click and select the all columns. Here I need to take the double pressure integer and 4 bytes signed integer, and this is actually n varchar. Now I am changing it to the varchar and changing the data type also as 50 varchar, and I change the all n varchar to varchar data type and change the length. So my double precision float is converted to 4 byte integer. Okay. Now you connect this to conditional split. Okay. Now you need to map the mapping. You need to select the copy of rank, copy of rank, because we changed the all fields, all column names. That's why we take the copy of rating, copy of format. Yeah, now it is okay. Next, like that, we have to take the OLDB, another OLDB destination, and I am taking this as ODI cricket, renaming this as ODI, and this one as obviously the third conditional default output. I use it to mention as T20. Copy of rank, copy of name, copy of country, copy of rating, copy of format. And this we need to, we didn't select the table. ODI. I'm selecting again the same copy of rank. If it is CSV or text file, so you need not change the use the data conversion. Only it is getting the problem while uploading the data from the Excel to database tables. We need to take the help of the data conversion. Now I am changing this also as T20. So configuration is done successfully. This is just a warning message. It doesn't make much impact. So I am going to run this package. Just to go to the tables. Currently there is no data in all three tables. After running the package, first it will select all 30 rows from Excel to data conversion. After taking the data conversion, it will go to the conditional split and will after the conditional split, it will split the as per our written condition here. Just ODI and 20, ODI and T20 like that. Now I'm running the package. See, 30 rows here, from 30 rows here, it moved to 10 rows, 10 rows, 20 rows here. What happened? 1 minute. If you go to ODA, it's 10 rows. Go to T20, it's showing 20 rows. Test cricket, it is showing null values. So no records are loaded in test cricket. What is happened? Yeah, I, in case statement, when you go to the input source, the formats that I mentioned, the test cricket is in caps. All four letters are in caps. But I use the condition format is in proper case. So I used to change this as a test. So the writing expressions is case sensitive in SSIS. Writing the script on .NET or when you're writing the .NET code, C# code, or at the time of writing the expressions, you need to careful about the columns. This is the case sensitive. Now I changed this as test and OK. If you run the package, it will load. Truncating the tables again. If you run this code, data is not there. I'm running the package again. Yeah. All 10 rows move to test cricket, 10 rows move to ODI, and 10 remaining 10 rows move to T20 output. If you run each one separately, so this is the ODI data, and this is the T20, and finally this is the test. Because of mentioning the in conditions in expressions, I wrote the proper case. So actually, in input source, it is showing the all in caps. That's why earlier we cannot generate the data into this table. So this is how you need to take the use the conditional split. So this is how you need to generate the report from one input to multiple outputs by using the conditional.